Hey everybody, welcome back. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use Uber Eats wallet. In order to use Uber Eats wallet, you need to first of all add funds or gift card to your Uber Cash or Uber Money balance by going to a wallet section. So for that you need to have Uber Eats account. So when you have the Uber Eats account, you will then be taken to this field. Now tap the menu bar at the top of the page in the left hand side corner, go to the wallet section from the list. And when you go to the wallet section, you could just go ahead and click on plus gift card. Now, if you have a gift card, you could go ahead and enter in the promo code and then click on apply, and the balance going to be added to your wallet. Similarly, if you want to do it or if you want to do it in another way, you could simply click on add payment method, and that way as well, you could add funds to your Uber Eats wallet as well. So this is the simplest thing you could do in order to use Uber Eats wallet. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.